Drowning in to-do lists. Feeling overwhelmed by work? You're not alone. But what if I told you there are simple techniques that can revolutionize your work life? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 work productivity methods that can transform the way you work, giving you back your time and sanity. 1. Tame the chaos. Pickle jar technique. Can time blocking? Imagine your time as a jar and each one of us has only 24 hours capacity. Important tasks are rocks, small tasks are pebbles, and sand represents tiny, miscellaneous things. If you try to fill your jar with all the pebbles and sand, then you don't have space for the big rocks, which are your important tasks. That's why a lot of time, you may be very busy, but at the end of the day, you will feel that you have achieved nothing. The pickle jar technique pairs with time blocking to solve this. First, list all your tasks. Then, schedule specific times in your day. Time blocking to tackle the rocks, the most important tasks. This ensures they get done, and the smaller tasks can fill the gaps. 2. Eat the frog. Conquer your dreaded tasks. We all have those dreaded tasks that sit on our to-do list, looming like a giant frog. The Eat the Frog method encourages you to tackle this challenging task first thing in the morning. Why? Because once you conquer it, the rest of your day feels like a breeze. This jump-starts your productivity and sets a positive tone for the day. 3. 1-minute rule. Clear out the clutter. Feeling bogged down by small tasks? The 1-minute rule, from Gretchen Rubin's Happiness Project, is a lifesaver. If a task can be done in under a minute, do it immediately. This tackles the little things that pile up and keeps your to-do list from becoming overwhelming. 4. Rapid planning method. RPM. Prioritize ruthlessly. Tony Robbins' RPM method from his Time of Your Life program helps you prioritize ruthlessly. Take 60 seconds and write down your top 3 goals for the next day. Then, circle the single most important one. This laser focus ensures you're working on the task that will have the biggest impact. 5. The Ivy Lee method and the 1-3-5 rule. The Ivy Lee method is a classic for a reason. Before bed each night, write down the 6 most important things you need to do tomorrow. Prioritize them ruthlessly. Then, focus only on the most important task until it's complete, move on to the next, and so on. The 1-3-5 rule is a variation. Write down 1 big task, 3 medium tasks, and 5 small tasks. This keeps your focus clear and your day manageable. In summary, these are just a few of the many work productivity methods available. Experiment, find what works for you, and watch your work life transform. Remember, a little planning and prioritizing can go a long way in helping you achieve more and feel less stressed. So, take control of your workday and get ready to be amazed at what you can accomplish.